In business, promises are easy to make, but delivering real results? That's where most fall short. We've all seen the ads: grand claims, flashy discounts, endless assurances. Yet when the product arrives, the reality doesn't match the pitch. At our company, we do things differently. On June 27th, a property manager reached out to us. They were overseeing a 15-floor building and facing a serious problem: disorganized supplies, inconsistent product use, and monthly costs nearing $5,000. We scheduled a visit for July 2nd. What we found was chaos. Different dispensers on every floor, multiple paper types, soaps, and no clear system. It wasn't just inefficient, it was expensive. We didn't just offer a product, we offered a solution. One based on real data, traffic flow, consumption patterns, and operational needs. We explained every step, from installation to projected savings. By the last week of August, over 250 dispensers had been installed. The building now runs on a unified system. And the result? A monthly savings of nearly $2,000. This wasn't about buying cheaper, it was about buying smarter. Big-name suppliers may offer low prices, but they can't offer the craftsmanship, insight, and peace of mind we deliver. We sell paper, we sell chemicals. But what we really offer is clarity, consistency, and confidence. If your company is facing similar challenges, let's talk. It won't cost you a penny to find out what peace of mind really looks like.